Right, hi guys, this is a review for a keyboard that I've got, which is basically a desktop keyboard for just everyday general usage. We do have a manual, which you probably saw on the intro, but unfortunately this is for an RK100 model, and the model that we've got is an RK907, so I thought this was backlit, and we've been sat here for a few minutes trying to figure out why it's not backlit. So if you saw that in the intro, it is not the right manual. So the one we're actually looking at is what I'm looking at Amazon now. So if I just bring the camera up a minute. So you can see there, so this is the one we're looking at, which is a Rii full-size USB wired keyboard for PC, Mac, tablet, Windows, Android, and has a Microsoft UK layout. It's currently priced at $9.99, and if you've got Prime like me, you get free shipping. So it's not too bad. $9.99 is a pretty good price for a basic keyboard. So basic functionalities would be, so you've got a home button, which works, and it's telling me never to go to that site again. You've got a, I think that, oh yeah, the mail key. So I don't have anything on my mail. Let's just lift that up a little bit. And then you've got a, I think that's a stop key for playing, so you got music. So I wonder if I stop, play, it's going, yeah, it's going forwards and backwards. And we've got the volume up, which is, I don't know if you can see that in the corner. Can you see that in the corner? You can see it here. So the volumes work on the keyboard, and that. So that's the media side of it. Let's just go back to the Amazon page. What else we got? So basic functionality was obviously your Windows key. You got Alt, Delete, and Task Manager. And once you hold Alt and Delete, and it's got, this is a glass surface, so the you've got the normal flick up feet, and it's got a bit of rubber down the bottom, which is pretty alright. So I've got, this is glass, so you know it's going to stick, and it's the drag on it is quite nice. It's a very light keyboard, and the feel of the keys are quite nice. So let's just type something. So we know we're not just randomly typing anywhere. So you can sort of hear that. Let me just turn my microphone right at you. I do apologise if you see a big hairy bush, but I want you to get a feel for what it sounds like. So I point my mic right at it so you can hear it. So they're quite soft. They're just basically basic sponge, not sponge. I don't know. We just ignore that. So yeah. So keys are like fine. It does what it does. It's a basic keyboard. It does exactly what it does. $9.99 free delivery in the UK if you got Amazon Prime, or if it's over 20 quid, it'd be free. So if you're ordering something else at the same time, it's currently normally $19.99 from this seller, but they've got it on for $9.99 at the moment, so that's not too bad. And you can get it on next day if you've got Prime. So yeah, there you go. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic keyboard. I'm not going to show any functionalities in terms of what it does for gaming, because this isn't really for gaming. This is just for basic tasks, but it does what it does, and that's it. It's just a basic keyboard. So yeah, thanks for watching my review of this yummy Rii RK907 wired keyboard. It does actually say on the back. It's, if you want to know the size, it's 445 times 14.5 times 20 millimeter. And the live keys apparently have 1 million clicks. So there you go. You can click these keys 1 million times, 5 million times before it apparently will die. I don't think that is the case. I'm sure it would be dead before that. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for my review, and peace.